Welcome to the Exiled Engineer, where we try to make stuff better. If this is helpful, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks. Trailer on a new vehicle, and as you can see, there is a significant angle on the stock trailer to the pickup. And what that does is it bottoms out the suspension on the back axle. The back axle takes more load. Actually, you can see here, this is a brand new tire. The other tire was rubbing on the frame, and he'd actually blown one of them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix this, what I think, what I'm gonna say is the wrong way, but it's still gonna work. So I'm gonna make the trailer so that the suspension sits level where the tires are now, and it shares the load evenly, even though the trailer will still be at an angle. All right, to make this simple, the rear spring hanger is 8 inches off the ground. The front spring hanger is 11 1/4. The middle one is 8 11/16. So if all the spring hangers are 8 inches off the ground, then the trailer should be damn close to level. So I just clamped one of the new ones on there, and that moves it down 3 3/4 of an inch. And it was from 8 to 11 1/4. It was 3 1/4 inches difference before. So if I lower it down this far, it's gonna be a 1/2 inch below the one on the back when it's empty. So that means it's gonna take up a little bit more load than the back when it's empty, and when it's full, it might be about the same, because when it's full, the back end is going to come down more than the front. So the distance between the top of the holes is 1 7/8 inches here. So I'm going to need to cut the middle spring hanger at that upper line, and then this one will just weld right onto the bottom of that. Okay, so you see I've got one of them welded in on the front here, and I am definitely not a very good welder, but I think that'll hold. And then I have the fancy alignment tool here to verify that this is mostly lined up, and this is looks like it's out about 3/8 on the back. And if we look at that one actually is bent in. So I checked it when we check it with the one on the top. It actually is closer than it was originally. So I think we'll be good to go. So here's the completed trailer. You can see that it actually sits pre-level now. This hinge between the two spring sets is correctly oriented now. This link is supposed to go from the hinge basically up to the springs on both sides. And as you see, it's pretty close to level. There's a little more weight on the front end maybe, but like I say, that's going to even out. It's a hell of a lot better than it was. Like I said before, it was actually hitting the frame and overloading the back tires. So looks like a win to me. We'll see how it works out. He's going to haul some bulls this weekend, so we'll find out. Welcome to the Exiled Engineer, where we try to make stuff better. If this is helpful, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.